Meaning of dictation.
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 Dictation. Dictation refers to the act of speaking aloud while someone transcribes the words onto paper or a digital device. It is a technique commonly used in education and business settings to improve spelling, grammar, and overall communication skills. The results of dictation can vary depending on the purpose and context of the exercise, but generally, it aims to promote accuracy, clarity, and fluency in spoken and written language. Dictation can be a useful tool for language learners, professionals, and anyone seeking to improve their communication abilities.